Hey Mario, Kelly Williams, Courtesy Chevrolet. Here's your 2011 Silverado regular cab. It does have the 4.8 V8 engine in it. Okay, there's your V8. As you notice, everything that you need to keep an eye on is in the clear containers. There's your coolant, 5-year, 150,000 miles. You've also got your crumple zones here on the sides, so in the event you are involved in an accident, the front end's going to absorb it like an accordion. You do have your J hooks here on the side to help the hood keep from coming through, and the hood's actually going to bend into an A-frame. Okay, you do have your 17-inch rims. Okay, you do have your breakaway mirrors on both sides. Okay, you've got your dual glove box, one on top, one on below. You do have your AM FM CD player with an auxiliary jack. Okay, it is 4x4. It does have your easy lift tailgate with a bed mat in the back, short bed. Again, it does have your power windows, power locks. It's got your cruise control. And again, there's the stereo with your AM FM CD player with your auxiliary input. OnStar is up on top, and you also have what they call the Lexon headlights, which are right here. They're the same thing that are made out of Lexon that's used on the shuttle. This is your 2011 Silverado, red in color. Please give me a call back at 602-279-3232. Thank you.